Yellowstone Volcano, Upper Geyser Basin, Old Faithful Geyser eruption today. It did not take that long, so I guess in about an hour or so it'll be blowing again. And we have the Upper Geyser Basin geyser steaming away very nicely just before the eruption and after it. And there were quite a few people also walking along the paths today. I was surprised to see that because, as we know, it's very cold up there now. This was just before sunset. And that little building there you see with the lights on is the Old Faithful Inn. There's a hotel there that people can stay and watch the geysers as they go off. And as you can see, everything is all snowed over. Quite cold now. And I'll let you enjoy it as we listen to some music. And this is the activity just before sunset. It's now dark there. And we'll enjoy it this way. I'll leave a link below for you for this. You can see it. It's now dark, as we said. So you won't be able to see much. But you can see, have a look, whatever you'd like. And I'll leave a link below for you for this. And I wish you all a wonderful holiday and Christmas season, and a beautiful and blessed and peaceful and healthy, prosperous new year. God bless you all, and thank you for your support. Please make sure you're subscribed, because a lot of people are being knocked off subscriptions for some reason. Ring the bell so you can get more updates on the videos that come out, and also comment and share. Thank you. God bless you all. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.